Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Slightly different setup today because I wanted to try this and I wanted you to be able to actually see the paw, because top down is beautiful for a lot of the flat things that I do, all the things you can see from bird's eye. When I've tried doing paws that aren't on a canvas, you don't get to see the fun of it pawing. Now, I picked this up for $1.99 online, and that was in Home Bargains, of course. Online, they go in for around the $3.99 mark. So I thought $1.99, yes, I'm getting in there, because I wanted to get some anyway. But they were just like, they kept getting nudged back for other things. So let's open it, see what you get. Now, hopefully I can stay in shot, because I can't see what's going to stay in camera and what isn't. So I'm going to be using this general zone as my guide. Mystery Mole Bear includes 1/8 centimetre bear. Actually, I'll do this and then I'll get crinkling. 3 mystery paint colours, 1 paintbrush, 1 paper cup, 1 spoon, double-sided tape. Additional items required. Gloves, old newspaper, paper plates. So apply tape to the base, place it on a plate, layer up the paint, pour the paint, cover the entire bear, 24 hours to dry. So I am going to need something to put the bear on, because I need my work surface. So let's have a look. Oh, I'm going to have to take the key ring off though, because that's just going to rest on him. Wherever I put him, that's going to rest on him. But he's pretty cool. He's got a little tiny face. I'll try and get that. Yeah. And we have flame colours. We got double-sided tape and yellow, orange and red. Now I'm guessing these are acrylics. It doesn't say anywhere, but I'm guessing they're acrylics for it to work. So I'm going to get a plate. Right, I've robbed a side plate. This is going to be my designated art plate now. Now, apparently we just need one of these. Let's see if that's true. We'll also see how easy it is to get him poured all over, because, you know, they're like under there. I think round here will be fine, but I don't know about under the pits and under there. Well, he's on. Scooch him over for a second. We're in there. Alright, let's layer up our colours. Oh, should we just like go all and all? Let's do it. I don't know. I'm guessing this has got to be acrylic, right? Guess we'll find out. I have various other paw models to try. Bigger than this. So if this setup works for this one, I will hopefully be able to fit those in as well. Right, what do you actually use the spoon for? I don't know. Well, we don't really need that anymore, so let's pop that in there. And what do you use the paintbrush for? To poke it under? Well, let's find out. Is he in good shot? I think he's in good shot there. Let's just pour. I think I'm going to have to tilt him. so we can get under. Mind you, to be fair to it, it looks like it's gone. I'm going to run off the plate. It looks like it's gone under everywhere apart from that little bit there, which I can't. That might be where the spoon comes in, because I can't get it. Oh, there we go. Well, he looks like it looks like it's gone everywhere. I don't see. Well, this is going to be our first attempt. Got a bubble between the legs, but he doesn't anymore. I think he's actually gone everywhere. I'm impressed. I really didn't think. Let's pop a little drop of yellow. I really didn't think that was going to go everywhere, you know. That's pleasantly surprising. Yeah, I thought that was going to be harder than that. And I wonder if the paint feels the way it does because it's had all the necessary pouring ingredients like the mediums in there and whatnot. I see his little face peeking through. I see it's gone a little thin in areas. But it has done it. Well, I'm going to stop there because I'm going to lose what there is. So, yeah, we'll come back in 24 hours and see how this looks. At the moment, it looks really good. Our poor bear is dry. Not our mystery marble bear. Will he come off? Oh, that's cool. Right, will his... It's sort of come off. You might need a little trim. Or perhaps you just didn't need to use the amount of paint that I used. You perhaps didn't need to use it all. But he has worked. I'd just like him to have tidy feet. I think, you know, his feet are what they are. But it worked. He's covered pretty much everywhere. There's a little bit down there that didn't get, but under the arms, behind the paws, there's a tiny bit there that didn't get. But that has surprised me. I thought it wouldn't get in pretty much all the places that it has got. And he's got that pretty cool. For $1.99, I'm impressed with that. And because he has feet to stand on, he does stand up. And this stuff... Oh, this is cool. Let's move Bear over there for a second. I've got something else to play with. This is peeling off. That's satisfying. That's really cool. So let's just put this all back here. I'm glad we took it apart because the clip would have stuck to him and it wouldn't have such a smooth finish. There we go. Our marble bear keyring is done. And he stands, sort of. $1.99 home bargains, yes. I think $3.99. I think it's all right for $3.99 because it works. I have got 2 more of these. I will do them as shorts. They are fun. I do like them. I do have bigger ones to try, so I'm hoping with this setup they'll still fit in there. I might need to move the camera back this way a little bit and perhaps push them right up against the wall here. But I'm looking forward to trying them. They will be a test because there's a much bigger surface area for the paint to try and curve around and under. But yeah, we'll talk about those when I get those out. $1.99, yes, home bargains, thank you very much. Love it. Get these, they are fun, they do work. Bring him right in so you can see his face. Right in so you can see his face. Look at that little guy. I'm going to leave him as he is. He has got one drip, but that's okay. I might, with some of the others, like dot in a little black for the eyes and the nose. We'll see. That was cool. That was satisfying. I'm looking forward to playing with the others. And you probably don't need to use all the paint because it's been quite a few days at this point and I have paint left, but I've also left it on the side because I had ideas for it and then I never got round to them. So it's thickening up. So yeah, we'll call that a success. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you found it both fun to watch, satisfying. Hopefully during editing this will look as good as I'm believing it's going to look from this angle. This is definitely the better angle to do it with. And yeah, go get one and try it yourself. It is fun. Like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.